But before that, if you don't know what is Kalodata, it is a comprehensive data analytics platform designed specifically for TikTok e-commerce, in which it provides valuable insights and market intelligence to help TikTok shop sellers, brand creators, and affiliates make data-driven decisions to grow their businesses. And the platform offers a wide range of features including trending product analysis, influencer collaboration tools, video and live stream inspiration, advertising optimization, and competitor insights. And Kalodata gathers data from public TikTok channels using advanced AI models and data processing techniques, offering users access to over 100 million product data points. And now, to also start using this platform, you could also click the sign up button on the top right corner. Then you will be able to be directed on this page, and from here to sign up, you could also enter your mobile number and year, then just proceed by entering the verification code that has been sent in your messages. Or alternatively, you could also sign up using your email address. Then below here, just proceed by entering the verification code that has been sent to your inboxes. So can copy this one and paste it on this page. And after that, just proceed by clicking the sign up button below here to proceed. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. However, on this pop-up window, it will ask you some of the questions including, are you running a business on TikTok? So all you need to do is to simply select your answer based on their choices given here, including to this question, what's your business type, what's the size of your team, and what do we call you? So basically, after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking this confirm button below. And now, we're now here on the dashboard of Kalodata. And as you can see under this Explore section, this option allows users to discover trending products, influential creators, popular videos, and successful live streams across various categories and niches. So as you can see below here, it will show us a variety of products, top creators, top shops, and it will show you some of the details by simply clicking on any of these brands. Since this Explore feature enables users to delve into specific categories and niches to uncover the best-selling products, top-performing creators, and most engaging video and live stream content. And as you can see from here, we could also explore affiliate creators, hot videos, trending products, and many more. Now moving on, we could also navigate on the top panel, this category section. By simply clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see on the left side panel, it will show us some of the filters. Well, as you can see, given on this result, we only have here one result, which is this beauty and personal care as category. But you could also go on the left side panel to navigate the dates and change the filter that you prefer. We have here the category. By clicking on it, we have here women's wear, underwear, Muslim fashion, fashion accessories, sports and outdoor, and many more. And after selecting, just click the apply button to proceed. Below here, you could also choose the category level with here level 1, 2, and 3. Then click the apply button. After selecting your answer, click the submit button in order to apply all of the selected filters. But as you can see below here, you could also navigate or filter the revenue if you want to. And now after clicking the submit button, we'll now be able to see here the result, which is only one, since we also need to upgrade our account in order to view more products or category upon using this platform. But now, in order to view other details about this category of result, kindly click on it, and upon clicking on it, we will now be able to be directed on the next step. And from here, it will show you all of the details it contains. However, you must have an approved account in order to view other details in here. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you the overview, product ranking, shop ranking, and creator ranking if you have an approved account on Kalodata, in which those info are very helpful if you're also an affiliate on this shop. And this information is crucial for sellers and affiliates looking to find profitable products and avoid saturated markets. Now moving on to shops, this option serves several purposes, primarily aimed at helping users optimize their product visibility and sales on TikTok Shop. And from here, as you can see, it will also show you that you could also filter on the left side panel the date, categories, and even the revenue filters. And from here, it will show us the shop info, best-selling products, revenue, and even the average unit price of a specific shop in TikTok. So let's say we're going to click this one, which is Amara PH. By clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on the next tab, in which from here it will show us some of the details it contains, such as the core metrics, to know the amount of revenue, shopping mall revenue, affiliate revenue, items sold, and even the average unit price. And below here, you should also see here the overview of a product, the sales strategy, the seller operated accounts, and even some of the product it offers of this specific shop. And we could also see here the video and even the live in here. And by exploring the shop option, user can gain valuable insights into trending products, successful videos, and top performing creators within each category and niche. And now if you also want to follow a specific shop, kindly click this follow button beside the shop name, and upon clicking on it, it will show us on the top panel that we can view our following under My Following. By simply clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. Then below here, it will show us the shops that we've been followed. But if you want to unfollow it, just click these three dots and click unfollow. And aside from that, if you also want to add shop, just click this add shop button and kindly enter the shop name in here. And upon searching on it, you can simply click the star icon right here to simply follow the shop. And it will automatically add to your following in here. Now moving on, we could also navigate on the top panel this creator option, in which it's primarily aimed at helping users identify and leverage successful creators on TikTok Shop. From here, as you can see, you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the filter, and by clicking the submit button, you will be able to see here the result given the filter that you just selected. And to know more details about the specific creator, kindly click on it in order to see other details. So let's say I'm going to choose this number 1 or top creator right here. And now on this next tab, we'll now be able to see here all of the details. However, you must have an upgrade account in order to view more data in here, including the shop, video, product, and even the live details on this page. So basically, this information is crucial for sellers and affiliates looking to collaborate with influential creators who can promote their products effectively. And Kalodata provides detailed information about each creator, including the products they are actively promoting and the video formats, intro hooks, and overall approaches that are working to turn viewers into paying customers. And aside from that, we could also navigate here the products by simply clicking on it. This option is primarily aimed at helping users identify and leverage trending TikTok products on TikTok Shop. And as you can see from here, you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the filter, including about revenue and even advanced filter. Then from here, it will show you the list given the filter that you just enter. If here the product info, launch date, item sold, and even the amount of revenue in here. And if you click for any specific product in here, you'll now be able to be directed on the next page. And from here, you should see here the creator, the video, and even the live details. But also, you must have an upgrade account in order to view all of those details. Now moving on to video, using this option, users can gain valuable insights into the top performing videos within specific niches and categories. And same as the other, you could also navigate on the left side panel under the filters to look for a specific product that you prefer. And by clicking on any of this result under video content, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here, where you could also view the details, but you must have an upgrade account in order to do so. So basically, Kalodata is a crucial tool for TikTok Shop sellers, brands, creators, and affiliates, as it provides valuable insights and market intelligence to help them make data-driven decisions and optimize their strategies. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Kalodata. Thank you.